windstorm. It's terrible. I tell you, this life, you really do experience all kinds of things you normally wouldn't. Isn't this something? Yeah, I have books downloaded today, and I'm just really gonna have a good day. Nice quiet. Did you see where I hit 1,000?
Yes.
OMG, I'm so excited.
Greg at 1,000.
Oh, that's right. I just read it. Yeah. This is very interesting, though. When that sand gets to blowing, I mean, it looks like we're in the middle of a fog. My face is rocking and rolling. I just had to turn it to face into the wind. My tents are already down. With the dust, you can't hardly see past Paul's van. This is inside the van, and you can still hear the wind. Wow. I survived that windstorm, but my van is an absolute disaster. I mean, look at all this. This is nonsense. You know, when you're stuck in your van for 24 hours, it's like everything is in a complete disarray. My back is jacked up, and my batteries are almost empty, and everything is not in its place. So I got some work to do today. But hey, look outside. No blowing sand. I'm gonna put both my tents back up. I'll go check on this lady over here. She's been out there by herself. So anyway, good morning, everybody. Yeah, I got my pajama bottoms on still. I just want to be comfortable. Watch how easy this thing is to get up. There, so now I'm basically just going to straighten it up where I want it and tack it down. And we're good to go.